All right, welcome back, guys. We have problem number 6 here of the MIT Integration B 2018 qualifying exam, and it's a doozy. I'm not gonna lie, this one is a doozy. We have the integral of the sine of x times the hyperbolic sine of x plus the cosine of x times the hyperbolic cosine of x dx. So I think we might have we're all maybe pretty familiar with the sine function, and we might not be too familiar with the hyperbolic sine function, but that's kind of a large topic for another day. All we really need to know is that the derivative of hyperbolic sine and the derivative of hyperbolic cosine are basically each other. So the derivative of hyperbolic cosine, or cosh, is hyperbolic sine, or sinh, and the derivative of hyperbolic sine is hyperbolic cosine. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to notice that we are adding two terms together, so we can actually split up the integral and make two separate integrals. One of them is the sine of x times the hyperbolic sine of x. The second integral is the cosine of x, or not plus, times the hyperbolic cosine of x, both with respect to x. And we'll go ahead and solve this one first. And we're just going to try and do a basic integration by parts. So we're going to set u equals the u is going to be the sine of x. So we're going to grab that, and then dv is going to be hyperbolic sine of x dx. Oops, of x dx. So then that makes, if we integrate that, that makes v equal to hyperbolic cosine. And of course, the derivative of u is going to be just regular cosine of x. So if we do parts, we can say it's uv times the minus the integral of v du. So that means it's sine x hyperbolic cosine x. That's uv minus the integral of v, which is hyperbolic cosine, du, or that should be dx, minus the integral of v du. So we have v here, we need du, so hyperbolic cosine times cosine of x, and then our dx right there. Now we notice that what we have here is we're subtracting this integral, and we're adding the exact same thing right back into it. So this is cosine x hyperbolic cosine x dx, right, which is the exact same terms that we have here. So these will just cancel, and we're left with the sine of x times the hyperbolic cosine of x plus c. And that is our final answer. Sweet. All right.